Hey, this is Brent with Vintage Statements, and today we're going to make a small project. We got a nice little piece of common wood here. We had a friend that lost their dog, so what we're going to do is make a cool little sign for him. Hopefully that makes him feel a little bit better today. So, all we're going to do is sand this down, stain it, put a paw print on it, and put some words on it. We'll figure all that out as we progress, so follow along. Alright, the first step that we're going to take is we're just going to get these marks off. We're going to smooth the edges down, clean it up a little bit, so when we do stain it, it looks really nice. Alright, step 2, we're going to put on our dark walnut wood finish from Mini Wax. Got a dirty rag, got my gloves, got something to open, and of course the piece of wood. So, let's start adding the stain to it. Nice little grain pattern. Looks like we're ready. Let this dry for a little bit. I'll go print out a dog paw and we'll go from there. Okay, so we went inside and we printed off our template, and then we put graphite on the back side here. So when we trace it out, it'll create a nice line on that stained wood that we've done. And it's kind of, I'll show you guys. It's in memory of a dog that passed. One of our friends' moms lost her dog, so we want to say we're there with her, and no better way than maybe using our talents to create something for her. So next step is we're going to just get this nice and tight and then try to trace it with the same pencil that we used to put the graphite on the back. Okay, we just finished marking it all out. Here's one thing that a lot of people don't tell you. Leave it taped on and just pull one side off and fold it over and review it. Make sure that you can see all of your words, all your outlines are there, everything shows up. If it doesn't, you can fold this right back over. Everything should be still aligned, keeping everything smooth, and then finish over anything that you still need to do that didn't come through the first time. So we double checked this is pretty important piece here for our friends. So it looks like everything transferred over really nice. So now what we can start working on is well, picking out some paint and getting this thing painted for her. So follow along.
Alright, so we are making the board for a friend's mom who had to put our dog down for cancer. So we are using chalk markers that you can get at like Hobby Lobby or any like craft store. And I'm just going to write the words, and then we're going to clear coat it and send it off to Utah.
I'm going to monitor and supervise.
how did it turn out? I hope she likes it. I hope it really helps. Speaking of losing dogs, like I know it's just really hard on families and like really just everyone involved. So she's a really good friend of ours. Her daughter is one of my best friends, and she's just been a good part of our lives. So we hope that it helps, because Jules was a great dog. So
we'll put a little clear coat on it. We'll get it in the mail, and hopefully she enjoys it.